masyado ng malaki DPWH. Sa laki nga, hindi niyo na po ma-monitor, kaya nga ho siguro may nakakalusot. So is it now practical, considering that water is now becoming scarcer every day? Pag tag-ulan, ang dami natin tubig. Pag tag-init, tuyong-tuyo, wala naman tayong tubig. So nasasayang. So with the Department of Water, baka mamaya we can manage our water resources more uh, effectively. No? Yung mga water impounding, mga dams, mga flood control na hindi matatapon lamang, iniipon natin. What can you, Secretary Visan, regarding the establishment of the Department of Water, that will be separate from the Department of Public Works?
Mr. Chairman, I think the President himself has supported this initiative. I think it is part of several discussions already with Congress and especially in the GADAC. So, I mean, we fully support this po, no, the creation of a separate Department of Water that will handle this. No, kasi kailangan po talaga, no, very, very important po yung water resources management. And ano po, we will support this 100% po.
Thank you for that.